This week has been very phenomenal, and just as we have done for many times, we were able to crush Pound USD and Euro AUD using our powerful Forex trading strategy. And in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how we did it step by step. Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am BB Forex and I share tips, education and insights to help you become a more successful Forex trader. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on an update. And now let's get started. I will walk you through everything about the trades, the pre-trade technical analysis that I did explaining the technical breakdown of the trade before they played out. And hey, this was made available exclusively to the traders in our VIP signal group, as well as the trade signal calls that we made and how I executed this trade with precision. Alright, let's jump right into the action. First up, let's take a look at how we approached Pound USD this week with our pre-trade technical breakdown. Has been doing. So we have moves like these, and right now we have something like this. So this is definitely a bullish trend. And looking at this bullish trend, this remains a bullish bias for as long as this low, for as long as this key level down here does not break. What we see on the M30 here, this is what price is showing us, right? The same key level is what we are looking for. We have the same key level right there. So for as long as that level does not break, there is good potentials for price to continue bullish. So it is just a matter of time. And also when we get rejections inside of this level to confirm reversal, we are good to go. So there is a good potential for this to continue bullish. You may also run your fibs. From this low to this high. First thing you see here is we have 382 right here. We have 382 right here. So we have the X, A, and the B right here, and we have the B, the C, and the D. The D should be somewhere around here. That would be the 886, right? This is 76.4. We have 886, which is somewhere around this zone here, which is a perfect example of a bullish bat. If you are very familiar with trading harmonics, right? X, A, B, C, D, right? So we have something like this going on right here. We have the same thing going on right here. So you can see 886 is somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere right there. So you can see 88.3 here, 40, and then we have all of these confirmation right here. So there is a lot of confirmation right at that very spot for this to continue to the top side. So this is a really good setup, and we just need to wait and see how price plays out. And all we need to see inside of this very zone is just some corrections. When we get some corrections, we are good to go. My first TP in this case would be somewhere around here. So just as you have it on the screen, I have our Telegram VIP group is on the screen as well. So this is the private group where we call out the trade signals to our subscribers, right? So the trade on Pound USD, this is the trade right here. And also we do not only call out our trade signals, we as well give out the trade breakdown. As soon as we call out the trade, we also explain everything you need to know about the trade. So you are not only taking trades blindly, you are also getting educated along the line. So this right here is the breakdown video where we explain every technical information you need to know about why we're looking for longs on Pound USD. So as you see here, the trade is a very good trade, very beautiful trade. We're looking for buy from this level here. The stop loss on this trade was about 25 pips, and the first TP is about 75 pips. And now the risk to reward is about 3 to 1, right? 3 to 1 risk to reward. So this is definitely a good trade. We also had an extended target for about 110 pips all the way to this high. So first TP was hit on this trade, and this is the result of the trade right here, right? This is the same trade, the same markup, everything you can see right here. So from this low, we had almost no drawdown in this trade. There was almost no drawdown at all on this trade. So price went straight into profit. So we had our TP, which was hit over here. Remember, the 75 piece is somewhere around here. So the TP definitely got hit right here, and from that point we're able to have a lot of results from this trade, and I'll be splashing a couple of these results on the screen as I present this. So that is really what happened on GBPUSD. Very good trade, simple to understand, and we made sure everyone in the group were able to take advantage of this very solid trade. So that is really everything about GU, and let's also proceed to EURUSD. Like I said, we only trade GBPUSD and EURUSD. So let's go on to EURUSD and look at the trade on EURUSD. And likewise, we also called out EURUSD in the private group. We always call every single trade in the private, the VIP group. So this is the EURUSD trade right here, and also the trade breakdown is right here. So we always explain every single trade that we call out to ensure our traders do not take trades blindly. So you are always informed whenever you are taking any trade, and that is the best way to go about taking signals. You are informed in exactly what to expect from the market and exactly why we are looking to buy and why we are looking to sell. And next up is EURUSD. And to begin this, I will quickly show you the pre-trade technical breakdown that we did and how the market responded to it. Somewhere around here, you would notice that price did what looked like a double bottom, right? We had this very good looking double bottom, and then price went all the way to the top. And from this top, we have this move here. So what we see right here is a retest to a neckline, right? So when price creates market patterns, you get a neckline. So what we see right here is a potential retest to a neckline going on. And if that holds, if that is the case, and that really holds, that if that low holds, we should be looking out for a potential move to the top side, right? So on the H1 here, we have something really interesting. On the H1, you would see what looks like a bullish trend. However, this is not really a very good looking bullish trend because a key level from this place has already been broken. So that is not really a solid bullish trend. However, price is doing something really interesting. So price did moves like this. We had a bullish trend like this previously. So this was the move, and right now we had this. And this move you see right here is testing a very good place. It's testing a very good place, this level right there. So that is a very good place in this market. And let's see also if we have a good trend line in this case. So just look at what we have here. We have a good trend line as well. We can see this also is a very good trend line. So there's a lot of confluence in this market. Trend line checked, right? The neckline from this level checked. The key level from the H4 checked, right? KZ from this level checked. So there's a lot of confirmation in this case. So this move actually looks very promising. It looks really good, and we may get that bullish opportunity to continue on here. So this is a good move, and I'll be looking forward to targets like this. All right, so first TP somewhere around here, and so on EURUSD we're looking for longs. This was the setup, this was the trade call that we made. The TP, the stop loss on this trade was just about 30 pips, and the first TP is about 70 pips to this high over here. So that was the trade call we made on our EURUSD. We explained everything that also we're looking at, why we're looking for longs, and now we made this call. So let's look at what has happened on EURUSD. So this is the setup over here, and let's quickly get on, okay, each one. So what we have over here, this is the same trade we were looking at after the markup. So this was the trade here. We're looking for the moves over here. The stop loss is about 30 pips, and the first TP is somewhere around this level here. This level right here was the first TP. So price definitely hit the first TP for about 75 pips, and the stop loss was just about 30 pips. So definitely a good trade. Definitely a good trade. And the one thing you also realize is the risk to reward is also very good, about 2.6, which means it is way beyond the stop loss. So a good stop loss, a good TP should be at least 2 times of your stop loss size. So this is more than 2 times, almost 3 times of the stop loss size. So that is a very good trade as well on the EURUSD, and that is really how we're able to catch these 2 moves on GBPUSD and EURUSD. And like I've always told many of you guys, you do not have to take a lot of trades every single week to come out very profitable at the end of the week. So you need to focus on taking just a few trades. A few quality moves is all you need to be successful in trading. Personally, and with our VIP group, I wholly focus on taking about 3 to 5 trades a week, and we are done. Sometimes 3 trades a week, we are done. Sometimes 4 trades a week, we are done. So, and that wraps it up. That is how we're able to crush GBPUSD and EURUSD again this week using our powerful forex trading strategy. I hope you found these insights and techniques valuable, and that you can apply them to your own trading journey. If you have any questions or need any further clarifications on the system we covered in this video, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section. I love hearing from you, and I'm always here to help you out however way possible. And if you are looking for a more in-depth training and personalized support, check out the website with a link in the video description for more quality education, including our powerful trading course and one-on-one coaching sessions, signal services, and more. Don't forget to like this video if you found it very helpful, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on our latest trading tips and strategy. Thank you for watching, and happy trading. Stay tuned for more videos.